everyone. My name is Aditya Wiratama Ramadan. I'm from 12 Sijatu and I work my argument in the topic is digital learning and the digital divide. Next. The digital technology is transforming education classroom, blend in person and online instruction and many school now really on, and digital platform for lesson assessment and assessment. But this shift as some students have reliable device connectivity and digital skill which they do not share. I argue that us implement digital learning can widen the gap between winter and proper study. And starting from winter family generally have better access to digital technology and learning resource. Many of them on personal laptop or tablet that allow them to participate fully in online learning activity. In addition, they often have private study space at home where they can focus without the distraction. Stable broadband internet connection also enable them to join video conference, download large learning material, and interact smooth with online platform. And this advantage allow them to engage more effectively in digital learning environment. They can easily participate in live class and access additional resource and complete assignment that require multimedia talk. As a result, students with better access to technology often gain more benefit from digital learning compared to those who lack this resource. Next. In contrast, many students from low income family face significant challenge when participation in digital learning, and some students must share a single device with several family members, making it difficult for them to attend online class. At the same time as their siblings order really only on smartphone, which are not always suitable for completing complex assignment or accessing certain learning platform. And internet connectivity can also be a major barrier. Unstable connection, limit data plan, or reliance on public Wi-Fi network can interrupt online class and make it difficult for students to stay engaged. Furthermore, studying in this household may also have additional responsible at home, which can further reduce their ability to focus on their studies. This of cancer make it harder for low income students to fully benefit from digital learning opportunities. Access to reliable technology play a real role in determining how activity students can participate in digital learning. With proper device and strong internet connection, students can join video conference, participate in interactive quiz, collaborate with classmates through share document, and receive image feedback from teacher. However, when students lack this resource, they may struggle to keep up with lesson. They might miss important explanation, fail to submit assignment on time, or feel discouraged from participating in class discussion. Over time, this participation gaps can turn into achievement gaps, where some students consistently perform better simple because they have better access to technology. This situation highlights how unequal access can directly influence student learning outcomes. Another important factor in digital learning is digital literacy. Digital literacy refers to the ability to use technology effectively, navigate online learning platforms, evaluate online information, and solve basic technical problems. Students who are exposed to digital device from an early age after develop their skill naturally. They become comfortable using various applications, managing digital assessment, and finding reliable information online. However, students who have limited exposure to technology may struggle with these tasks. They may find it difficult to navigate online learning system or troubleshoot simple technical issues. Conclusion and call to action: digital learning offer powerful educational benefit, but only if access and skill are evenly distributed to communities, and government must invest in device connectivity and digital literacy, so every student can participate and success digital education. So inequality. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sapu.